Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to fix the Safari can't open the page error when you try to visit a site. Let's say you just launched the site and Safari is not able to open it. It could be Safari or it could be Firefox. Google Chrome doesn't really throw out that error message. I'm not sure why, but that's just what I have encountered. So the first thing you want to do is find out where your cPanel is at and access your cPanel. And the last thing I enabled was a content delivery network on Cloudflare. So I guessed that was my problem and I started there. And luckily for me, it was my problem. So go to Cloudflare under Site Improvement Tools, go to Cloudflare. All right, once that loads, go to Manage. And then under Settings here, you want to scroll down to where it says SSL support. And from flexible, you want to go to full strict and change that. All right, once it's successfully changed, give it a few seconds, let it propagate. And now you should be able to access your site.